Brennan?
A dog.
A dog? What? Any kind of dog? Aw, I love those.
Gets exposure to teaching firsthand. She gets to run small groups and she gets to see the day in and day out of planning.
100% really like doing this internship made me realize 100% that I want to be a teacher.
I would say about 80% of the students in this program go on to be in college. I'm tracking them as they have entered. I've got some in their senior year of college and looking forward to coming back and actually teaching in the Richland School District.
I can change the world.
I can change the world
Because